Hi, I'm Mochia, and I stream DeltaForce. Something I noticed is that the fun of watching your assets go up and down just doesn't come across to viewers. Unlike gunfight skill, asset changes aren't something you can just glance at the screen and understand. But reading game memory or intercepting network traffic risks a false positive from anti-cheat, so that's not an option for a streamer. So I built DeltaForceHUD. Without touching the game at all, it reads my own PC screen with OCR to generate a real-time HUD. Under the hood, it captures the screen with OpenCV and reads the asset numbers using Japanese OCR. It also auto-detects whether you're on the lobby screen just from on-screen words. Setup is done entirely in a browser wizard, so you never have to touch any code. The key point, it never modifies memory or network traffic. All it sees is your own screen. Let's see it in action. When you enter the lobby, your current balance is automatically read and shown on screen. The session history view lets you check your asset trend as a graph. Records can also be exported as CSV. This is the new feature I built for this build week. Pressing Cut here lets you track the change in real time based on the balance at that exact moment. In the stream, it's overlaid right on screen like this, as a live HUD. This checkpoint feature was built together with Claude and Codex running on GPT-5.6. Claude writes an instruction document covering the background, the spec, and the verification steps, and Codex implements it. Then Claude reviews the diff once more. During review, we found a bug. The HTTP status on errors didn't match what the front end was actually checking for. We wrote a fix instruction and Codex implemented it again. Instructions, implementation, verification, review, fix. We run this loop with AI and a human checks and approves the final result. Going forward, we're planning a standalone executable release and support for multiple games. Thanks for watching.